Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers for analyzing the Indian stocks, major Nifty 50 and bank stocks. And as I told yesterday, I already uploaded my one video of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So in that I told about the stocks of 14 stocks. So in this stocks we can analyze through the Elliott waves according to my knowledge, and I'm just sharing you how I'm trading them. And this is my second video of the stocks. Previous I did from the past 1 year for the forex pairs and as well as commodities. So that is in the name of forex surfers. So this is for the Indian stock. So I did as a stock surfers. So it's going good, and I opened the Telegram channel also. And a lot of peoples and my followers are asking about that Indian stock market. That is why I have reasoned I have doing this kind of knowledge to share my knowledge to everybody, and my ambition is also the same thing. So before we get into this week analysis for that 14 pairs, 14 stocks, so this is my disclaimer. This channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for financial investment, and I am teaching how to analyze the stock market and how I am trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So this view may change for each Elliott Asian trader, not the same view as mine. You can all learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from that experienced trader through the comments in my post about the Elliott waves. I keep learning the market every day. I won't trade according to the fundamental and sentimental. I will trading and traded with 100% technical only, what I learned from the books, video clips and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who losing still and lost the money because they're treating this business like a gambling. I'm not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's move on to the stocks. So this is the watch list created for this week, and these are all the opportunity I found, and I already invested in those things. Nearly 10 pairs I invested, and I'm just watching this pair for the past 6 months and trading from the past 2 months only, and invested from 1 month before a month of from the July first week or second week. But before that also I just keep on analyzing everything and just keep on updating in my Telegram channel as well. So first start with the Titan, and then followed by Grasim, Reliance, Tata Motors, Bajaj Finance, Sun TV, JSW, Lupin, Sunpharma, SBI. These are all the bank stocks, the 5 bank stocks, 2 pharma sectors, one is steel, one is entertainment, one is finance, this is automobile, and there is a Reliance Industries, the bigger in India, and this is the textile Grasim, and this is the Titan. So let's move on to the Titan first. So before that, just I need to show you my positional view. So my positional view in the weekly is a bullish. So how I am just countered this means it's not impulsive, but this is a bullish. How means this is a formation of that diagonal triangle pattern. So in that each wave got ABC. So it's a forming the 1 2 3, not 1 2 3 4 5, like not like that. It's formation of a 3 3 waves. It's looking like a correction, but it's not a correction. It's keep on going to the upper side as a bullish side. So in this, from the starting of this is a A, contains of 5 waves in that lower time frame. B and C is ended here 1, and this is the ended of the 2 ABC, and the whole thing is the 5 wave structure marked as A, and 3 wave structure as a B, and C contains of 5 waves. So this 5 waves is extended. You know very well about that. A, B, C is anyway already it's around 1.618, or if it is very bullish, that will reach you to the 2.618. So from here we already finished that wave 2, and this is the A, B and C. So C contains a 5-way structure, so this is the end of the third. So according to this, here wave 1 to wave 2, it's nearest to that 2.618. So, and here for the intermediate wave, this is the 1, 2, it's exactly at 1618. So for the intermediate, the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Because of this 1.618, fifth wave got extended. Otherwise fifth wave may be around 38.2 of the 0 to 3, right? So according to that, this is exactly 1618. It got extended in the fifth wave. So right now we finished the third wave, and we are in that fourth wave. So fourth wave, either it is finished as a regular flat, or it could be a more complex, means it could make a triangle, or it can shoot above this high and then again fall for an irregular flat. So that is the two options now, right now. Either the fourth wave is ended, we are in the fifth wave, and fifth wave also got an ending diagonal or ending diagonal triangle, whatever it may be. So according to here, so we didn't know about this, what the wave kind of wave formation will do. So if it is a triangle, it will be around the 3 waves, and if it is a irregular flat also, it's already moving with the 3 waves, or if it is a diagonal for the fifth wave, it's also 3 waves, and again here also it's moved only 3 waves. So it is very tough to find out that what kind of formation is doing on, whether we are in the still in the fourth wave, or it's already completed, or we are in that fifth wave. That is the confusion here. But the Elliott waves will allows you to trade with the safe and precautions, whatever it is. So here it's a 3-way structure. I marked it as a W. You can mark it as A also. It's nothing wrong in that. But after that of the C wave, or either it is a Y wave, according to that current for that C wave formation or Y wave formation only, we come to know whether it is W or A. So right now I placed that as W because I'm seeing it's not looking like a C wave formation. That is why I have deleted that A wave. So now I placed it as a W. X is a triangle. So A, B, C is a 1. A, B, C, and the D is ended here because it's already crossed this one, this high, and this is the E wave. So A, B, C, D, E is completed in the correction 5-way structure. It's called as a triangle, and this X is finished here. So for this X, we need to trade Y. So Y contains of ABC, the 3-way structure. So here it's looking like in that overlapping, it's looking like a wedge formation. It's not a wedge, it's an expanded leading diagonal. See, this is a 1, this is a 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's looking like that for me. So 1, 2, 3 here in this, it will be like this. It will overlapping here in this zone according to the Elliott waves. Only in the diagonal formation it allows the wave 1 can meet the wave 4 can meet the wave 1, and it won't break this 4. It's a wave 2 low. So it didn't done that. So according to this price action, I marked it as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is completed. Now I am expecting that B wave. So expecting this B wave, we no need to sell our position. So, and I want to trade in options and futures. I just only in that cash segment, and I just keep on buying only and holding the position. So according to this, I didn't done anything because I didn't enter any here. We entered at one stage, and then it's did a confusion here. I thought from here itself it has to come down as an irregular flat, and then it can shoot. So Nifty was also in that stage. It's looking like that only for me. So what I did is we exited in the position once it broke the high. So it's looking like the same. It's a B, C. So whether it could be a chances for that irregular flat also. So I exited the position and keep on watching. I didn't add anything because it's overlapping here. It's not, I'm not satisfied, so satisfied. So it's move on every three ways only. So right now I'm expecting the three-way structure, and I will add only the B wave completed only at the end of the B wave. So once the three ways got completed, I will be in that side, in buy side. So my target is, this is a W, means is a X. So A, B and C has to end to the nearest previous resistance zone. So that was around a 313. So but according to the previous, I told the target is 1225. So it could be above 1300 also now. And I keep updating in my Telegram channel also, so you can understand what I'm trying to say. That is why I have making the video, because a lot of people, a lot of beginners didn't know how to read the chart. So whether this will help them, what I'm trying to say. So how it will can make, because in chart only I will do like this and again this kind of drawings, so that won't help them. And don't trade according what I am suggesting there. I'm not suggesting to anybody. My ambition is to create an awareness for education purpose only. I'm just sharing my knowledge. So if I'm sharing my knowledge, I am fine-tune myself, and you can also learn from me. So that is the only thing I'm sharing that. So I'm apart from this, I'm not getting anything to anybody, right? So that is not, Telegram channel is not a chargeable. So I'm just sharing my knowledge purposes only here. So don't trade according to this, just watch how I'm trading them according to that Elliott waves. So this is my this week view. So I'm expecting a rejection. So whether if it comes here only, I will update what kind of wave formation. See, up up to date I'm not getting any data here. So only if it form that wave formation, then only I can predict what kind of wave formation in the B is happening and when it will come to the end, the correction. So then only we need to enter. So and simply if it comes here the 1050, it's no need to enter there. Try to understand that. I'm just for that placing for that ABC is a three-way structure. That is why I have placed here. It can do like this and then it can fall also. So that is called as an irregular flat. Then we won't get this zone. If it go higher above this and then it may fall, means it can be a irregular flat, and then from here itself it can show. Or this could be an expanding whatever it is here. So right now I'm expecting this correction. So let's see how the market will move. So next we will see that Grasim. So Grasim, I already entered at 610, 611 I entered at here, and I already posted that 610 is my order, but that day it came to 610. One second. 1670 here, and we entered at 615 something, and I booked at 700, and at the closing time only I closed my position, because and I will show you that monthly positional chart of for the Grasim. So I didn't done anything, so it's looking like a three-way structure. So for this three-way structure, we are in that again three-way structure. So how it will move means, it will go up to 1000 range, and again it can make a three-way structure. Or if it is the end of this correction of a three-way structure, we will be around 1350 has to break. But it won't be very simple, because this impulsive is also too messy and overlapping, and the correction it won't be a simple. So it will took more time maybe again 1000 range we can see, and again there will be a fall, and again upwards, like that it will do. So this is a short term period only we will make. This is not a long term bullish sign to invest in this. So let's move on to the daily. In the daily also, here I did whether this is A, B, C, B, and C is completed. So anyway, the three-way structure is got completed. And here also, in the day 4 hour, I will show you that it's making a diagonal triangle pattern. So each wave got A, B, C is a 1, A, B, C is a 2, A, B, C is a 3, but the third wave is always the extended. So our target is around a 1.618. So we have to place as a W, and the three-way structure is X. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's seen here, it's looking like that 5 ways got ended. So that is why I exited my position here, and I'm looking for the three-way structure for the B wave. Or either if it shooted from here, I won't do anything, just I need this kind of correction from here. So it may get extended also, so up to 750 also, but I don't want to worry about that because I already exited position, and if it goes higher also I won't intermediately enter for the trade because it's accepting this channel, and this is the diagonal triangle. So anyway, we will get either here, or if it goes to the 750 again we will get at least 700. So the time lapse will be there. It's around we already booked that. So we already booked that nearly 90 points. So it's sufficient for me. We entered here because I won't enter here. I didn't give the entry here because I just started from that June to watching, and July and giving the Telegram channels or updated, and from the July 15th to 20th I just got invested in everything. So I started invested, see in this pair, it's around 17th August here. So I booked now. So let's see, this is a fresh stocks for me, and I did in a lot of times in Forex. I'm just doing that also, Forex pairs as well as Nasdaqs, everything. So this is my watch list, just I'm showing that. My watch list is a bigger one. So nearly 45 charts I'm watching this for the Indian stocks from here. Up to L&T I invested. So Grasim is just exited. So everything I'm having the positions invested. So right now after that, these are all the watching pairs. There's a not opportunity, and what are the opportunities, I just gave the entry, and we are looking for this only in this week. So these are the watch list up to Titan, and then Nifty and Bank Nifty I already did yesterday. So just have a look there for the positionals, what I'm looking at. And here is all Nasdaq stocks, everything here is nearly 40 to 50, and these are all currency pairs for the Forex. So I think 1 second I will check my video. It's going on. Yeah, it's already half an hour, right? So this is my plan for this week for the Grasim. So let's move on to next is, I think, Reliance. Yeah, it's a Reliance. So Reliance Industries, and my positional view I will just explain. This is also same three-way structure but in bullish. So this from this here to here on February 8, 2008 is an A, and B is a triangle. So after that, C is a 1 is the first wave is a leading diagonal, second, third, fourth as a running flat, and fifth completed here. So after that, once the A, B, C ended, we can make it as a or W, and here as a X or B, and we are in that Y or C wave. So according to that, I expected here that little bit bigger correction, but it didn't happen because of that Reliance sold that 10% of the stocks to the Facebook, So fundamental boosted this without any bigger correction. It's just fall and then again rise. It's a very aggressive movement from that 850. It reached that around 866, and immediately in the next 2 months it reached the previous high. So whether that Y wave will maybe a diagonal triangle, or the C wave may be a ending diagonal or ending diagonal triangle. So right now I'm expecting the same thing, and it's happening the same likewise what I expected, but I'm not interested in this because it's already did a huge returns. So 2000 range I no need to investment for this pair here, but I will for the shorter term. So according to this is a B, C got a 5-way structure is completed for the 1. So A, B, C is a 2. So here it's A, B, C, and we have to labeling it as a W because of the third way extended. So X, so A, B, C. So here the third wave is completed. But here the fourth wave, and I already shared my thing, everything in TradingView Facebook pages, but I will very follow up only in the Telegram because I no need to that market commentary, no need to typing here. Just if I mentioned here that can understand in the Telegram, but if I need to place in the TradingView, that I need to this kind of market commentary I need to write in that chart, inside the chart. So this will took more time to place a chart, and nearly the 30 pairs I can't follow up, and I am alone, so I can't do everything. That is why that very short kind of follow up I can give in my Telegram. So you just do touch in the Telegram and how I'm trading them according to my knowledge. So right now the third wave is ended here, so we are in the fourth wave, and that is also a diagonal triangle I'm expecting in that fifth wave. So here from this low to 860 to 1600 is almost 750 points, and that rejection, and again it gave the same points 750 to 800 points. So every time it's retesting only that 23.6 to 38.2 only retestment for the previous bullish swing. Here exactly 23, and here also from here to here it's give only that 23.6. so every drop it is only buyers are there. So if you get the 23.6 here, but here what kind of wave formation, because the fourth wave will be a more messy and overlap, and it could be making a triangle or irregular flat, whatever it is. So we need to first find out the fourth wave has to end, then from this low again you will get to 750 to 800 points from that fourth wave low to the fifth wave. So if the for example is that 2000 means again the next around 2700 to 2800 you may get. So I'm eagerly expecting for the shorter time frame, shorter time investment in this, but it has to complete the fourth wave. So it will took more time to complete here, because lot of buyers and traders, the triangle will happen only for the buyers and traders, right? There is an indication, a lot of higher in the higher levels sellers will selling, and once it is in that coming for the pullback, and the buyers will sell buying. So that is what the bulls and bears are fighting here. So that is the indecision kind of happening here. Is a triangle formation. So I'm expecting that, but don't bias on my analysis. Trade according to your strategy and took it this as a reference for you. So next we will go to, I think, yeah, Tata Motors. So that is also a beautiful script, and I'm already in that at a 102, and just holding that. I didn't book anything, just I need to add if it comes in that three-way structure. So the Tata Motors also I need to show you that monthly positional view. So here it's a three-way structure, it's a ABC is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a leading diagonal. So leading diagonal is a wave A, and this is a B. Here it's a triangle. So C got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is why I have already did, and this is the end of the W. We can make it as an A, B, C as a A also, and after that is a A, B, C is a correction. So because of the flat correction, it gave nearly 90% retracement of the this. So if it is a 5-way structure, it will give only that 50 to 38.2 retracement for the zigzag pattern. But here it's a 3-way structure, that is why it's gave nearly 90%. So after that also the A, B, and C is ended here in the low, and for the shorter time frame here I had a doubt here 1, 2, 3, and a 4 and 5. So it's looking like a still bearish only in previous, and here after that watching in that shorter time frame, this then a 5-way structure. So once the 5-way structure is completed, we know after the 3-way structure again there is a one more 5-way is there. So this is a B is a triangle, and C got completed. So there is a options to come to the downside, lot of possibility to the downside, because once the 1, 2, 3 is ended correction, everybody is looking for that to that aggressive sell here. And this is also in past what I thought is this is the wave 1. So 2, 3, and 4 got ended here, and then 5th has a chances for coming to the to break this low also, but it didn't happen. Right now we are in that we already broken that bearish channel also. So here what I have to say is the A, B, C is a or W, and B is a bigger triangle, another triangle. So we can make it as an A or B or W or X, and in that after watching here only I just took a buy at 102. In this low only we took a buy, invested, and now after the 5-way structure I know very here itself I booked the profit at 123, and I have informed in the Telegram channel also, because previous it was a W means we have to keep it in mind, even it can be a W or X. So after that Y wave contains of 3-way structure, so it could be a B, C. It has a chances for making a or W. Again there is a chances for coming to the downside also. That is why I exited my position here fully, and then once it happened the 5-way structure, complete 5-way structure. So now we come to know that either side, this is the A, B, C means this is the 1. So for the 2 and the C contains of 5-way structure to the upper side, it's a bullish side. Or if we keep it as a W means X means they either this 5-way could be an A. So B, if the C over, this could be a Y. Another 3-way structure can happen for the 125 range also, and then again C. So anyway my target is 192 to 200 is the target. So in either way, whether it is going aggressively to complete or it could be a little bit late, and then again it can reach that target, but the time consumption will took more here. If it is an W, X, A, B, C is a Y means it will took more consumption, and then again it may be a 3-way structure like this kind of structure may happen, and after that Y that becomes X, and then again A, B, C. So that is the end of that 5-way corrective structure. Otherwise if it is an 1, 2 means definitely we will reach this zone easily, because there is no support and resistance in this fall. That kind only this will also move after the high, it can also go like this also, but there is a possibility, lot of possibilities here for making that what I said W, X, Y, X, Z pattern. So this is my Tata Motors, and the next we will move on to Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance. Yeah, Bajaj Finance also. Just I will show you that my positional count. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first wave is completed in the monthly chart. So we are in the correction part. So whether the correction is, it's not ended, or it can make another high also. This is the end of the correction, or this is the 5-way structure. Right now I'm not identified that. It's looking like a very bearish, and here also it's looking like a bullish. So either there is a chances for zigzag correction, whether, because in the second wave only the zigzag can happen. So this, if it is the bullish swing is over, got ended here, means, see, I need to work here. I just, for that simple, I will just 1 2 3 4 5 I just did, but here the overlapping it's occurs, so it could be a diagonal also. So I need to work on this positional. So don't look for that, and don't bias on my count on the positional. And once it got ready, I will show you, or I will update it in the Telegram channel. So right now I'm seeing here it's a wedge pattern here. Make it as a red, and here is the wedge pattern. So either this is the fifth way ended, means this could be an 5-way structure, and we are on that again 3-way structure. So here it's looking like a 5-way structure only. I will show you in that 4 hours. Once again I will remove this Fibonacci retracement. Here also wave 1 completed. I'm not invested here, just keep on watching here to the rejection for the B wave, and then I will get into the trade, and then for that target of nearly to this zone 4800. So that is my positional target now. So here 1 2 and third wave is got extended. So intermediate wave 1 2 3 4, and that fifth wave is got also extended 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the 1 2 3 is ended here, and the fourth is a triangle, and fifth one is also going to end at nearly to 3800 I'm expecting. So if we switch to the 1 hour chart, clearly we are seeing here is a 1 2, so 3, maybe a fourth, maybe a triangle or irregular flat, whatever it is, or it could make a higher also. And one more chances is it could be a end of this high also. Sometimes it's looking like that, but I'm not sure about that. So that is why I'm not interested here, because the fifth wave will be a that room for space for that upper, it's very, for the shorter time is very low, and bigger correction is ahead. So that is why I didn't done, just keep on watching and updating my chart. So after that completion, and I need a 3-way structure, so nearly the 38.2 retracement, and it will come near to the 3050 or 3060. So I will be in the buy side. After that the target is same as I said, is around 4700 to 4800, but according to this rejection only we can find out that projection, because from 1 to 5 approximately it's 3850, and here if it comes to the 3050 or 3000. So next 786 is that AB is equal to CD pattern, so we need to exit the position here. So that is my target. So just I will keep on informing that in my Telegram channel or whatever it is, and you are following of that Facebook or whatever, Facebook and Trading View, everything. But I'm not posting in the Trading View because of this, because I'm keep on posting that my forex very detailedly, but I can't write all that market commentary for all 35 charts for the Indian stocks, because I am having see lot of New Zealand, and I need to read on all those things for the educational purpose, and lot of people are learning. So if I doing this kind of in that Indian stocks also, it will get more time, and that is why I'm not posting the Indian stocks in that Trading View, and as well as Facebook pages also. So sometime if it is interested, I will just keep on what I am updating in that Telegram channel. I just keep on posting on the Facebook pages also. So here that is the same thing. I'm expecting the 3050 levels for that level, and then we will move on to the Sun TV. So Sun TV is also a positional, is very good investment. Here I will show you that monthly chart. It's a very beautiful chart. It's simple but looks elegant. Here it's a B is a triangle, and C is a 5-way structure. Here I posted that also. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is a triangle. So we will move on to the weekly chart. You will see here, and for that 5th way is completed here. So once ABC is over, we can make it as an W or A, whatever you like. And A, B, C is a 5-way structure, 1, 2. So here also a 5-way structure, 3, 4 is a triangle, and then 5 is a sharp drop. After that, this is the major support, and it bounced back and did a 5-way structure here, and here I did, and I entered the trade once this high crossed, because I entered at 4:30, because there is a lot of chances to make a deeper correction also. It can do anything. So this could be A, B, C. A, B, C means this whole thing becomes a B, and then again it has a chances for coming to the downside, and then it can shoot. There is a chances for like that also. That is why I entered at 4:30 range. So I keep on holding that position. So now how I just mentioned means this is the wave 1. So this is looking like a wave 2, and wave 3 is started, I think so, because here that second wave is a very low correction. It's not, it's nearly only the 38.2 it's came. So maybe in the equities it's doing like that only, 23.6 and 38.2 retracement is most of them. It is not coming to 50% and 61.8, but in forex there is a 78.6 is also there. Lot of deeper corrections, complex corrections, everything. But equities look very so cute, and it's very good to trade also. There is no much noise in this. I love that Indian stocks from the past 2 months. I fall love in with the Indian stocks, and this is also same thing. 1 2 1 2 I have already placed. So now I'm looking for the third. It may get completed, and again for the third, fourth wave it has to be a small rejection will be there, and then fifth wave got completed means there is a chances for this is maybe a B, and 1 2 3 4 5 means, so nearly in 500 zone I'm looking for the rejection. Because whether if it is an B is ended here, or this could make a sorry yeah. So whether the B may be a bigger triangle also. So in that case it can be in 3 waves, or if it is a C wave it can keep on shooting. And one more thing is it could be a diagonal also. So diagonal triangle means around A, B and C is completed means it's the one got ended, and again the 3-way structure, and again it will be a 3-way structure. So like that how it happened in the Titan, right? Like that kind of price action may be happen. That is why the first target is the 500 zone, and then we need to watch here how the wave formation is here it's doing. So let's move. I think here, yeah, the 1618 is the next resistance zone, and then the next resistance zone. So it will keep on moving like that only. But if we get deeper correction, we need to buy. It's a good stock, I think so, because it's ended nearly in the previous support zone. It got bounced almost, right? See, this is a weekly support zone, massive weekly support zone. And Sun TV, you know very well about that, their stocks. So let's move. Let's see how it moving. So now in this week, in the shorter time frame, I'm just looking for that internal counts, means maybe a small rejection for that fourth wave, intermediate wave, and then fifth wave again ended, and again there is a bigger one, and it will keep on coming through the 500 to 600 range. That is why I'm expecting. So let's move on to the next is JSW. Yeah, let's move on to JSW. JSW still also I missed, keep on watching that, but I didn't enter there because I will explain you how I missed the trade. So these are all the lessons I learned in this Indian market. So how we expected the correction, complex correction, it's not happening. So that is the one lesson I have learned in the Indian stocks. I missed this because in past what I did is 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth way, it may be a leading diagonal like that. I expected from here to again to this zone. So in previous it was the support zone in this zone. So I thought it from here it has to reach this 170 and I will be in buy side, like that I planned. But here what happened here is A, B, C is a B is a triangle, and C got extended. 5 contains of 5 waves. So this is the all intermediate waves. I thought this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it looks like a wedge formation here. So I thought if it broke the wedge, it will come to the downside to my buy zone. So I didn't done anything. Again it shooted 233. So it's keep on moving. So I missed this trade after the clear watching, and then again what I did is these are all the intermediate waves only. So this is keep on extending the third wave, and here I got that once the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I expected, and I observation is very perfect, and I understood that market structure of this. So you need to understand the characters and the structures also. It's not simply buy and sell, and reading the chart is most important. So it did here as a excellent irregular flat, and I entered at 260, and here I booked at 278. Here in this zone I exit my position here. I think 76, 78 I exited my position because it seems like 1, 2, 3, 4 can be a little bit this thing, or in that gap up open some days, sometimes, right, it will be a gap up open and keep on coming to the downside in Indian market. So like that it may happen. That is why I have exited my position, and then I shooted to that 284. Nothing worry, it's around the 6 points only, but I booked here it's nearly 17 points. After that I'm just keep on watching because the third wave is just now ended, so I need a bigger fourth wave. So it's, I think it may be a irregular flat. So if it touched here and then if it bounced, I will be entered because the 315 is the target for this, 305, sorry. Because if you entered at 285, 290 and that nearly 15 points you may get because of the fifth wave. So this is my analysis. So everything it is coming near to that correction zones. So Nifty also same. I'm expecting the bigger fourth wave. So here also everything it's completing, and Titan also same thing, and Bajaj Finance, everything all is nearing the zone. Only the Tata Motors is shooting, but it may change, and Grazim also I'm expecting that pullback. So everything I'm expecting, and beyond the final stage I think this week may get pullback also. So once the Nifty got at 11,800 or 900 zone, I think we may get a rejection zone, that is. So I have explained that in that yesterday's video, so just have a look there. So now let's move on to the pharma sector of the Lupin. So Lupin also here, first we will see that weekly chart. Yeah, from here I have labeled it's a B 1 2 3 and 4 the regular flat, and the fifth phase got completed. So we will switch to that daily chart, and it did a 5-way structure. Here 1 2 3, and I thought in previous it may be the end of 5 ways also here, but I am not so satisfied, and what I did is it could be at end of the fifth way also. 1 2, so 3 4 can be ended here, and fifth way is also got ended, but I'm not sure about that. I'm not satisfied with that, and just keep on watching and did anything, and I didn't ended anything here, and I'm not holding this pair, but this is in my watch list. But why I'm explaining here means there is a lot of opportunity in this pair. So if it comes nearly for that 38.2 retracement of 775 or 800 zone, and it started for the third wave, so whether this could be an A also or 1 also, and B also 2 also, but in the Indian stocks are making only the 38.2 retracement to 50% only. So here, if the end of the fifth wave, 38.2 is a 830 and previous support zone also. So this is, you can enter the partially, and then you have to watch for that bounce, and after if it breaks here only you have to add. Otherwise if it comes to the downside, don't add anymore. You need to watch the wave formation, and then only if it is completed the second wave, because if it is a bullish second wave can happen according to the Elliott wave 61.8 also. So it can be a next, it can be retested this zone also. So clearly first you need to watch the wave formation, wave count, and then only you have to enter, not blindly. So after that the wave 2 got completed means, see our wave 3 or up to C wave, the next resistance zone is 1300, and the next zone is 1800. So that is why I have explained to my friend also. That is why that this thing for that one, it's a 2 approximately here. Okay, so around 50%. So 1618 is 1600, and there's a AB is equal to CD pattern is the 1 means around 100 means it's 1280. So these are the achievable target, what I'm saying, but within the 6 months we will get that. But because why I'm expecting that 6 months means the correction, if the Nifty corrects means it will take nearly 3 months. So the next 3 months you will reach the target. So maximum it will be around 6 to 8 months you will get everything. I think so doubled. There is a lot of chances. You need to select the pairs and you have to invest in it according to your money management, everything. But there is a lot of chances for the Indian markets to turn as a bullish. So next we will move on to the Sun Pharma. Here also same thing. Once again I will show you here. It's A, B, C is got over, and this is the thing W, X, A, B and C. So this is the completion of that three-way structure, and it is also that nearly 50% for that retracement level from here to here. Yeah, it's exactly 61.8, and it's almost near to the 78.6. Yeah, good. So this is the right time to invest in Sun Pharma, Lupin also. But I didn't enter here because I'll explain you how I'm expecting the Lupin to 800 zone. This also has to reach nearly 450 to 470 zone. Is 1, 2. Here this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 is a triangle, and fifth way is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's this is also triangle, and fifth got ended. Or either if this is a B, C, this is a B, C wave got a first wave means again we will add to a second wave. So either way I am expecting a three-way pullback. So again 38.2 retracement we need to buy, and partially after that next partial will be added above the A wave or the wave 1 above the wave. Otherwise, if it comes a deeper correction, you need to watch the wave formation, you need to read the chart, don't enter blindly according to the Fib retracement level also. Sometimes it may give the 38 and sometimes it may give 50, sometimes it may give the 61.8. So how we did here, right, in the correction, I thought it was 50% and it came the 78.6 also. So like that, we need to first read the character of this pair, how much retracement is going on here, and then only out according to that buy or sell. So in that week I'm expecting the pullback. So next we move on to the SBI. This is also a beautiful chart. I'll show you that. And here I exactly told to my friend, need to buy at 150 for my cousin also, and the first target is the 190. Exactly, it reached within a week. Within a week it reached 190, and after that it's a consolidation, but it has to happen here because that previous structure is also the same thing. So everybody, if it is a pattern trader, they called it as a head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. But according to, I'm not a pattern trading, just I'm explaining here for the pattern trading, how the pattern trading works. So it's all in Elliott waves. So here it's a A, and here is the 5-way structure is also A, here is also A. So there is a confusion, and then I read the chart very well. So this 5-way chart is a B, and here also C. So this is the intermediate wave B, and it already broken the high. So this is now getting that running flat. So here also 5-way structure, and here also 3-way structure, and here also 5-way structure. So A, B, C is got over, and here is A, bigger A, and B. So we can make it as a 1 and 2 also. So if we did that, because this is the end of that correction here, I'll show you that my positional count, because this is everything is in three ways. It's not a simple ABC. It's not simple 1 2 3. So this is the ABC. I had marked it as a W, and this is that X wave got irregular flat here. The bigger thing is, once that W got finished, it's a B C A B is a triangle, and C is a wedge formation of a 5 ways from here. After that it's a B and C is over, it's a completed. So C means contain of 5 ways, that is why I have placed it's a W, X, A, B and C. So after that, this is a W, this is the end of X. I'm expecting A, B, C to break this 373, the high. That is my target. But we need to trade here what we are seeing. So that is my positional count is also bullish. So in previous I thought it could be a wave 1 also, 2, 3 is ended, and we are in the 4th wave. But now it got, I think it may get invalid, because that wave formation, it's very bullish. So I think I need to change here. In previous I thought is a 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 like that, but this wave formation, the price action, it's not looking like that. So this is a simple ABC's correction is ended, and now from here to here the 340 to 360 is my target, because there is a previous resistance zone. And here also I will show you how to change the count. So this is also 5-way structure, we can make it as an 1 or 2, and then if it is keep on shooting means this also, here also 1 and 2. So here also is a 1 and 2. So everything is making a irregular flat here. So it keep on going means we need to watch the wave formation. No need to exit your position early, because there is no support and resistance in this fall, and this is a free fall. Like that, once it crossed this zone, it may get retested again the 210 also, but it will shoot without any support and resistance. How it fall here, it fell down, right? Like that it will rise the same pattern, and then the next stop is 320 to 340. So I'm in this, and we already entered at the trade at 192. No, 185 or 192 something I entered. Just I need to check and just keep on. Yeah, 184 or yeah, like that. Here I entered. Once this got a confirmation of the 5-way structure, I'm expecting for that irregular flat, and exactly I entered here, but I didn't add anything. And I in previous I told it's above 202.5 you can enter here above the previous high recommended for the target of 340. So I didn't add because I already added here. So now in that pullback only we need to add. This is a 1 2, so the intermediate wave 1 here, 2, so 3 is still going on, and then if you get the 4th wave and then again 5th wave, after that only it's keep on going only. No need to worry about this, I think so right now. So there is no roadblock here. It will reach safely to the 340 to 330 in the next 2 to 3 months. Or if it get rejected again, there will be a too complex correction also, it may happen. Right now I'm not seeing those things. Let's see how it makes, because sometimes it's maybe a looking like in previous it could be a triangle like that, but here it's a 5-way structure, and here it's also a 5-way structure, and the drop is also here the 5-way structure. So I'm not so satisfied here. So if we did that, is a B, see it's not looking that D, so this is a 5-way structure, right? So how can we make it as a D? And then if it placed it's a E, and what will be the remaining? So this is not a triangle for me. So let's see. And I am in the stock, and then I will be in the pullback I can add. So let's move on to the next stock is Lupin, Sunfirma, SBI. Yeah, all now bank stocks. So ICICI. In previous I bought at 351 in this zone, I think on July. Yeah, here. What happened on that ICICI quarterly announcement? It got a profit. What I thought is it may make a 410 and then it may fall. I thought it may book at here. I thought it could be an irregular flat here, 1 2 3, and I thought this could be an irregular flat 4, and 5 can shoot up to 410. But what happened after the news announcement, it came down. Even though if it is a profit announcement, it came down. That is why I'm no need to follow that fundamental, and I won't follow the fundamental. In any big news I just keep my position open. So here I didn't done anything, only the 351 we bought it, and again what I expected here is this is a 5-way structure and it's look like 3-way structure, and I expecting here to break this low. So I thought it could be around 330 to 320. If it reached, I can buy another. We already bought at 351, so I can bought it because this is the perfect trade setup if it comes like this. But what happened here means it's a or 1, here is a B or 2, A B C, and again C. So now it is a, this thing is also an irregular flat for A or B or 1 or 2. So here there is a chances for making that. This is my previous analysis, so I need to delete this, otherwise you will be here it's not a 2. So A or 1, so A B C is a B, and C got irregular flat and they ended with a B. So for this double bracketed A, this is a double bracketed B, and we are on that C wave. So either this is the 1 means this is a 2, and it's keep on going to the upper side only. That is a possible thing I am expecting. So what I did is, once it break the high, and again I entered at 409. It is there only, but here if it broke that, and that time it was in gap up open, so I didn't done anything, and I know that it will reach to that nearly 500 zone, 480 to 500. So that is why I have entered at here around 409, and I won't add any more here because it's a very 500, right? It's already 409. So for the next 100 points we don't need to enter here, but it can convert into, if it is a bigger, see here I'm expecting the third and fourth wave, but it can shoot from here itself to here, means that will be also considered as a third and fourth, and then it will fifth, and it will go keep on going like that only. So just we need to watch here, and then only in the higher levels you can add more, but I won't add more because I'm already having the two positions in 351 and 409. So no need to add any more from my side, but if it looking for that rejection in previous in the smaller time frame, you can add. So that is my and next we will move on to Axis Bank. So Axis Bank also is a bigger triangle. So this is a W, A, B, C, D, E, and previously what I thought is this triangle can be like this, and from here it can come like this in three ways, and then again it has to shoot. That was my previous plan, and we already bought at 428 when we bought at that ICICI 351. That day itself we bought at Axis Bank at 428 and just keep on holding that, and we didn't exit anything, and now I added at 505 in that breakout. It didn't break, only in that ICICI it broke the previous high, and here it didn't broke the high. That is why I'm waiting for the break, and it broke that high, and immediately I entered at 505, and I updated here in that my Telegram channel also. So now I'm expecting whether this could be a rejection, small rejection, may or may not, or it can shoot from here also, because it won't be a little bit shorter. But if it is a W, if it is an X is a triangle, this is the thing. So if it is a 5-way get over, if this is a W, X, so there is a chances for A can complete here, and then again rejection. So I need to watch this zone, how much length it can go from here. So once if it I entered here within the 5-way structures got ended here, means, and we are beginning the bigger correction. So there is a lot of chances for W, X, A, and then B, and after that completion of the B, then it can shoot for that level of 760 is my target. So for the shorter term, I'm just looking for 640. But here we have to watch what kind of wave formation, whether it is still, it can shoot for the third wave, it's not yet completed, or if it is yesterday it completed, means again I'm expecting the pullback for the fourth wave and then fifth wave. So next we move on to the DCB. So DCB also very good returns. I entered at exactly at 80, and we already informed that in my group also. Before that, there is a lot of chances to retest that 80 zone. Exactly we bought at 80 and then it shoot, right? And there is a now bearish channel is there, trend line. This is a channel. So I just keep clone this as a channel, but it may or may not get rejected, but I'm still holding that in the 80 zone. So here the intermediate looks like it may be a third wave ended and fourth wave, fifth wave. So there is a chances for wave 1 can complete it here, and then rejection for the wave 2, and then it can shoot for the wave 3 to the upper side. But my first target is 170 to 180 range here. There is no like that the SBI, what I told, right? There is no support and resistance here from the free fall. So like that it can rise. So no need to enter the book early profit. This is the investment purposes what I'm doing. So there is a lot of chances, and this is the what I marked it as an A, B, C is a A. Sometimes it's looking like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. That is why I have put it as a 1. So 1 means 2 cannot be a triangle. So in that time what we have to do is we simply remove this triangle, and it could be a ABCA, ABCB, and A, B, and C. So this could be an running flat, and then this could be a 1, 2, and here what it will happen here is bigger 1, bigger 2. So again, if it shooted from here itself, there will be chances for the third wave can shoot it to here, and then fourth and fifth. So it's keep on going only, because it's everything we know that it's a C wave or third wave. So don't book early profit here. Just now it started, so don't book the profit, and then you will miss the train. So the next is RBL. So these are the opportunities. That is why I have explained here. It's a good opportunity in that bigger trades and good returns I am expecting. So from here it's a 1, 2, 3, fourth wave is in triangle. Excuse me. Yeah, maybe the fourth wave is a triangle, and it may be ended of the first wave, or it could be A, B, C is a A, B as a triangle, and C can shoot, and this is the if it is a C wave first wave, C contains a 5-way structure, so this may be a 1, or it can go up to above this also 220, and again we need a 3-way structure. So that is why I'm waiting for this. We did done anything, we bought at 177, and then again we booked at here itself, and then I didn't catch this. Only on I think on Thursday I got this. See, if you watch like this, you can't identify the triangle, and what you cannot identify the pattern. It's very easy after what I have placed. That is very easy. If I found the pattern, that is very easy to explain. But before that we need to enter the trade, what kind of formation is doing, right? So whether this is the end of the B wave or this is the end of the fourth wave and we are in the fifth wave, we can't. But in the 3-way structure we need to enter. That's the thing we need to understand here. But it may go up to here also 238, 240, and then we need at least, if it is a 5-way structure also, it get completed that for the wave 2, or if it is a smaller one also, we need a wave 2. So anyway, just keep on watching this, and I will enter the trade in that RBL. So I think I finished. Once again, I think I finished everything. Titan, Grasim, Reliance, Tata Motors, Bajaj Finance, Sun TV, JSW, Lupin, Sun Pharma, SBI, ICICI, Axis, DCB, RBL. So I think I need to show you my Telegram channel, and I just how I keep. I will just updated everything here. So have a look, and so a lot of people are asking me how to read the chart, because they are beginners and followers. So that is very tough to understand my chart. That is why I'm making the video to helpful to others also. So thanks for watching my video, and I think it's a long stream, more than 1 hour. And if you really like, you can just learn in my chart. Don't trade according to my trade plans. Don't follow me blindly. That is my request to anybody, because I know what is the risk I'm taking and how to manage the trade. But if you took the trade according to my trade plan and if it is against you, you can't manage. You didn't know what will be the next. But I can manage the trade and what will be the next pattern it can form. And I know the characters and I know the structures. It's not a greedy word because with the knowledge of what I learned, I can at least survive and I can manage the trade. See, it's managing the losing trade is the very important. So how much stress you will get in that against you the if it is markets against you, you know how to maintain and how stress you will get. I know very well about that. So in forex it's every time. For example, I'm showing that I will show you that one only one it is against me and I'm just keep on watching that pair euro USD simply. I just keep on expecting the dollar has expecting from here to reverse and then again buying and again it getting rejected and again it has a chances for making one more high. So but I already shorted my according to my plan at 1.618 so 1.1810. So first you have to understand what risk you are taking and what will be the capital size and what will be your lot sizes. So everything you need to understand, then only you have to trade. It's not only for the buy and sell. It's a kind of art of the trading is an art. So try to understand that. Thanks for watching and we will see in the next stream. And every week on Sunday I will keep on uploading and I decided to that. So if I'm just 1 or 2 weeks if it is not happen, so sorry for that because I don't know because I'm little bit busy in the forex. So for that love with that Indian stocks, it's going ahead and this is the time to investment. So that is why I keep on watching. So just sharing my knowledge to you also. So thanks for watching again. So we will see in the next stream. Have a nice day and have a profit uh, week. Thanks a lot.